Sun will be breaking out for later today, so although the temperatures are cool and in the 40s right now, it's downtown 47 for Boston and also the lower 40s as we move out toward Worcester County. But as we head into the afternoon with that sun breaking out, we will be jumping into the 50s. So it's a mild high of 56 in Boston. Move out toward the Cape, 57 degrees expected. And even as you move inland, we're holding on to those lower 50s. And so by no means is it a warm afternoon, but with that sun breaking out, it will feel quite a bit better. Gusty winds, that's the main thing for today. As we head into the forecast tonight, we're actually tracking another cold front. That's pushing through for the overnight hours and into your Monday morning. Not looking to see major impacts as far as temperature, but there is the chance for some showers to creep through. And that's something that we'll be pushing through, especially as we move from Connecticut and into Rhode Island and just south of the Mass Pike. So that's going to be moving through for the morning commute, likely pushing out of the way as we head into the afternoon. We're clearing as we head into tomorrow evening, but those cool conditions are still in place as we see that northwesterly breeze pushing in for our area. We have wind advisories in effect for our region. That's going to remain in effect until 6 o'clock this evening. And you can see winds are going to be strong. We have wind gusts near 19 miles per hour as we inch toward 10:30 this morning. Moving into the afternoon, that's when we see occasional wind gusts near 30 to even 35 miles per hour as we head out toward the islands. So some big impacts as far as that wind. That sun will break out, but because of those winds, it is going to still feel a bit blustery out there. Your forecast heading into tomorrow, we do have some concerns for that rain moving through, breezy as we head into your Tuesday. We do see those winds pushing through with that jet stream right overhead, that dip in the jet stream, keeping things very cool here locally. The rest of your 7-day looking to stay cool into Wednesday as well. Temperatures staying below freezing, in fact, as we move into those overnight lows. So that's where we do see the likelihood of some frost developing through much of the middle of next week. The good news is by the late portion of next week, Todd and Antoinette, we will start to warm up again.